Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a usable music file and confirming its license so you won't get strikes later. Once chosen, export or gather your video in a high-quality WAV or MP3 and open your editor. Create a project with the same frame rate and resolution as your video, then import both media items into the timeline. Make sure the audio sample rates match when possible. Now place the video on the primary track and drag the music onto an audio track beneath it so you can begin precise editing. Next, align the music to your footage by trimming and moving the track to hit key moments and scene cuts. Use markers to mark beats or dialogue so you can sync accents and transitions. Then set initial volume and add fades at start and end. Apply volume automation or a ducking effect so voiceover remains clear under music. If a section is too short, loop or crossfade duplicate clips for seamless continuity. Make micro adjustments and listen back at normal playback speed to confirm flow and balance. When editing is done, set export parameters for your platform. Select a container and codec such as H. 264 for video and AAC at 256-320 kbps for audio, keeping sample rate consistent. Export a short test clip first, then play it on several devices and speakers to confirm levels, clarity, and lip sync. Once satisfied, render the full file, save project backups, and archive source music. If audio drifts or clips, try nudging the music track by a few milliseconds, reconverting sample rates, or re-exporting the timeline at constant frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.